Dog Nation, it is time for you guys to decide your monster truck ride for the first Monster Truck King of the Hill of 2025. We have a grand total of 17 different trucks for you guys to choose from to see which one has what it takes to go all the way and go up against our current reigning Monster Truck King, Night Shifter. With that being said, let's go right into the Decide Your Ride. Alright, starting us off, you have not one, but two chances to win with the Thanos versus Thor 2-pack. I absolutely love the looks of these two Marvel trucks, and we'll see how they do on race day. Next up, you have the red Megalodon. Speaking of Megalodon, you have yet another one, but this one has like a blue camo and awesome looking blue water tires. And I'll tell you what, if you pick Megalodon, you will have two chances to win. Up next we have Grease Trap. This is a nice heavy truck, but how will he do on race day? Up next we have BKT. Next up, we have the Fire and Ice Dragon. And what I mean by Fire and Ice is, if you look at this right here, it's half ice and half fire. These ones right here are pretty hard to find, but how will it perform? Next up, we have another truck from the Marvel line, which I believe is Hawkman. If someone knows what the name of this Marvel character is, please feel free to let me know. Next up, we have yet another Fire and Ice truck, which is Megalodon. Once again, it's half fire, half ice. I just absolutely love the look of this truck right here. And that is the last of the Spin Master trucks. Up next, brand new for 2025 is the SoCal Crusher. Next up we have Shark Reek. we all know how fast Shark Creeks have been, but how well will this new one do? Next up, we have a notoriously fast casting, which is Rhinomite. Up next, we have a truck that I think might go all the way, which is Lil Holland 664. I just absolutely love the way that they made this truck, and it's a pretty hefty one too. We'll see how it does. Next up, we have a Dodge Ram van, which is also known as Fruit Smasher. Alright, only 3 more left. This is also known to be a fast truck. We'll trash it all. Alright, 2 more trucks. We have the Treasure Hunt 8 ball version of Roger Dodger. And last, but certainly not least, we have yet another treasure hunt truck, and that is the Night Shifter Uno edition. And as you guys can see right here, our current king Night Shifter is in the color red. Same with this one. Will he become a new king? We will find out. There you have it, T-Dog Nation. Those are the 17 trucks you guys have to pick from to see which one will go all the way to take on our current king, Night Shifter, and see if they are fast enough to take him out. You guys will have 1 week to pick as Sunday, May 4th will be when this race comes out. With that being said, I will see you guys next time as we continue to race beyond the limits, 1 track at a time. And also, I do have a TikTok and a Discord server. The links to those will be in the description. T-Dog is checking out, and I will see you guys on race day.